I'm dipping in my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven. I got that free gas.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSF Rider 250. Got a package today. And that package came some goodies. This is a quick video. No mantra, no extras, none of that. Just straight up to the point. No extra editing, none of that shit. So yeah, in that package, the stuff that Loco got for me, the pieces to hold up the headliner on the sides, those trim pieces, which we will get them installed at a later time. We out here live. Yeah, we live. I think everybody left. Just because everybody left, shout out to everybody for coming through though. Because we live, or just because everybody left, don't mean it's the show stop. So we finna see what's up. I got the stuff from Loco. I got it wired in. I want to make sure the shit work before I screw it back in, and all of that. So with no further, actually, let me. I would say no further ado. So I need this little piece to stay right. It's a little piece right there that clamps and it holds the screw and all of that. So we're gonna go ahead and put that one on there and let it breathe. Let it breathe, so to speak. So yeah, man. Boom. Put that shit down off in there like that. Hold that motherfucker in there just like that, and shit, we finna see what happened. Ooh, don't that bitch look better already? Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Back at it again. Back at it again. Look. Look at that. We got a left blinker, y'all. Ooh. Ooh. We always had the right blinker, but shit, fuck it. We gonna hit the right blinker for y'all too and shit. Hold on. Let's hit that left blinker one more time. Left blanket one more time. Yeah. Alright, just so we can hit them houses in. Boom. Hazard lights. Help me, I'm stranded on the side of the road in this pretty motherfucker. Yeah, in this pretty motherfucker. That bitch say time for bed. Who is that? What's up, King Dog? Hey, I'm making this video right quick. Anything you want to say to the people, King Dog? You live. Yeah, man. Shout out to Cat Logo, man, for providing them parts. You know what I'm saying? We are now in full effect. Have the lights and all that good shit. Turn signals. Yeah. I forgot how you turn this shit off. Okay, there you go. I really didn't want to pull on that bitch too hard. Fuck around and break that bitch. That lights on. Of course, we always knew the headlights work. We got tail lights and shit now. Now motherfuckers won't be looking at us crazy. Like we crazy. One of them bulbs is out though. That middle bulb is out. You can tell. Cause that one's not, this left one is not as bright as that right one. So that bulb is out. And we don't got a spare for that motherfucker neither. But you know what we'll do right quick? You know what we do? You know what we gonna do? So we'll take the one. How we live and recording a YouTube video at the same time, man. Only here on LS7Rider254.com and shit. I mean, I know the license plate light is important too, but I think I'd rather have that tail light. Especially being that I ain't got no license plate right now. Or maybe it's just not all the way in. It could be a numerous amount of things. Or it could just be the fact that it's out. So either way, oh shit, that wasn't smart. Grab a hot ass bulb, not smart at all. And I dropped that bitch. I hope it didn't break. Yep. I think I broke that bitch. Dropped the motherfucking bulb and broke the bitch. Barely dropped it though. Oh, fuck. Fucked up the church's money. Ah, well. She say, do you love me? I tell her only party. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. Whatever these little ass bulbs is, those are the ones we need. Tomorrow on lunch, we'll go grab some and be good to go. Like I said, it ain't nothing but 2 screws. It ain't nothing but 2 screws, man. Screws and shit, man. But yeah, man, that's all I wanted to show y'all, man. Shit, the Rivi got both of fucking tail lights now. Got a couple bulbs we gotta put in this left side, but we out here moving and rocking. New tail light and shit. You know what I'm saying? We brand new on their ass, like we don't know them. You dig? So Make sure you stay tuned for the next one. It's your boy LSRod254. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make them your strengths. Gone.